Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are all well. My name is Tapus Kumar Basu. On behalf of my channel, the technical analysis of financial product, today I have decided to illustrate you about the market condition and what would be the resistance level of Nifty and what would be the support level of Nifty for Monday. So to illustrate it, let me straight away go to the daily candlestick chart of Nifty 50. Okay, this is a daily candlestick chart of Nifty 50. You see, this is the last candle on Friday's candle, and the Friday the market was opened on 18,185, and it made a high of rupees 18,286.95 and made a low of rupees 18,119.65, and it was closed 18,255.75. It means closer was higher than the open. That's why it is a bullish candle, right? So as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, the market, there is a possibility to be, the market is bullish. I mean, there is a possibility to be retreat towards the upside, but based on the candlestick pattern we cannot come to a conclusion. Let me discuss about the other indicator also, so that we can come to a proper conclusion, right? So already I have my last 2 3 video I have explained you how the Elliott waves generally moves in the market, or what is the implication of Elliott waves. I have already explained you the Elliott waves in my last two three videos. Here already I have plotted the Elliott waves over here. You see that iliac waves generally can be two side, either in a downside or in an upside. You see, this is a complete downtrend, right? So this is the downside iliac waves. Iliac waves generally moves in the market 5:3 ratio. The first 5 ratio, which are known as the impulsive ratio, and last 3 ratio, which are known as a corrective waves. You see that iliac, there is a proper implication of iliac waves over here. You see, this is the particular candle that the market has came down over here. So these are downward Elliott waves. These are first wave. I have marked it here is a one, and there is a second waves. Always you remember the second wave should be lesser than the first wave. You see, second wave is lesser than first wave, and that this is the third waves, and third wave should be greater than the first wave. You see, the third waves is greater than the first waves, and then there is another wave which is called a fourth wave, and then the last wave is a fifth wave. These are all impulsive waves. From there, from the last wave, there is we see we can see here some small correction over here. First, it was upside correction. I mean, it rallied towards the upside, and this is a corrective. This is a corrective wave. This is the first corrective wave to be marked as an A, and here is another small correction to the downside. There is a second corrective wave marked as a B, and there is another was a C. So these are three corrective waves. This is the end of the Elliott waves. Now we have to this is the end of the Elliott waves. Now we have to wait whether the market should go towards upside, or whether it goes towards the downside. If the Elliott waves moves towards the upside, definitely it should move on the same ratio, based on keeping the ratio intact. I mean, 5:3 ratio. So you see, here is a Elliott wave started towards the upside. Now the first wave has already been completed. I have marked here is a one. There is a second wave. I have told you the second wave should be lesser than the first wave. Obviously, this is a lesser. So there is a second wave and the third wave. Third waves always should be greater than the first wave. But the third wave has already been started, but not yet been completed. It means it should be greater than the first wave. To make it greater, it should move towards the upside. So based on these Elliott waves, we can say there is a there is a possibility to be rallied towards the markets into 5:3 ratio as far as Elliott waves is concerned. So now the third wave has yet not been completed, because the third wave should be greater than the first wave. So definitely it should move towards more. So to create the proper third waves. So consider, based on this, we can come to conclusion there is a possibility to be retreat towards the upside towards the upside, right? After completion of this third wave, then the fourth wave would start, and when the fourth wave would start, it should come towards the downside. On that case, we can see some downside correction again. Then after completion of the fourth wave, again we can see another wave, which is called as a fifth wave. I mean, it should start from fifth wave, generally should start from downwards to upward, based on the uptrend. I mean, when the Elliott moves towards the upside, right? So based on the elliptic waves, we can come to a conclusion there is a possibility to be retraced towards the upside. But considering the elliptic waves, we also cannot come to a conclusion. Let us check also another parameter, right? Another parameter means there is so many indicators in the markets. One of the most popular indicator, which is called RSI, which is a relative strength index. I have already plotted over here an RSI. You see above 50 RSI to be termed as a bullish, and RSI right now is a what is the value is 69.2. This is an above 50, so RSI is bullish. Actually this sort of indicator generally measures the momentum. The momentum is first to the price. So as the RSI is 69 plus, it means as the momentum is a bullish, it means there is a possibility to be reduced to the upside based on the stochastic RSI. So we can say that the market is bullish. So apart from RSI, we have also there is also another indicator which is also very popular indicator. A lot of indicator, particularly investor, a lot of trader generally use particular this indicator, which is called stochastics. Let me plot the stochastic. What the stochastic said? Yes, this is stochastic. In stochastic, we can see there are two lines. One is the straight. This is a line, straight line. This is called a stochastic line. One is the dotted line or signal line. When the stochastic line crosses the dotted line from downside, which is known as that crossing point is known as a buying zone. When the stochastic lines crosses the dotted line from the upside, which is known as selling zone. So here is you can see the stochastic right now. You see the stochastics are all, but here we can see there is some selling signal has been generated as the stochastic line has intersected the dotted line from the upside. But the stochastic right now value of stochastic is 97. That it means this is a bullish. So it has intersected still, but we cannot say this is a downtrend has yet been started unless and until it's cross the 80 from above. It hasn't crossed the 80 from above, so that's why you cannot say this is a proper selling signal, right? So short term correction that we can see, it indicates that's some bit of short term correction, but the stochastic is bullish as it is above 80. So there is a possibility that stochastic may move towards the upside. I mean, it may go towards the 100. So as far as the stochastic part is concerned, we can say there is a possibility to be market towards the upside. So this is so as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, market is bullish. As far as the Elliott waves is concerned, because there is a possibility to be reduced towards the upside. As far as the relative strength index concerned, relative strength index is also in a bullish zone, so market is a bullish. As far as stochastic part is concerned, so there is a possibility to be reduced to the upside. Now apart from this also, we can also get a lot of good information if we can check the option data. What the option data says? Let me straight away go to the option data. You see, so what the option data? This is the option data. You see, so this is the open interest. The as far as the option data is concerned, you see that red bar to be known as a put writer, and green bar this blue bar is known as a call writer. You see here you can see 18,200, that is a put writer. The open interest of put writer is 50 above 50 lakhs, whereas the open interest of call writer in the call 18,200 is 45 lakh, above 45 lakhs. It means put writing is more than the call writing. As the put writing is more the call writing, it means the participant are thinking the market participant are very much bullish. I mean the participant thinking there is a possibility to be market towards the upside. So as far as the option data is concerned, as the put writing is more than the call writing, so then there is a possibility to be retraced towards the upside. Based on the option data, we can say the market is a bullish, and also this is the PCR. PCR is above 1. The above 1 PCR is known as a bullish. Now let me go to the change in open interest. What is the change in open interest? As far as the change in open interest is concerned, we can to come to a conclusion. Let us see the change in open interest. What the change of open interest? Yes, this is a change in open interest. You know that here you can see this is 80. If we compare it 18,200, we can see the maximum put writing is happening on 18,200, that is 27 lakhs plus. And whereas same strike, if we go to the call, so the call writing is happening only in 20 lakhs. It means put writing is happening more and call writing is happening less. So as far as that, so that means the participant are very much bullish about the market. So as far as the option data is concerned, market is bullish. Now, what would be the resistance and what would be the support level of Nifty? The first very immediate resistance is it. Another thing is, just I would like to tell you that that particularly this is the that presently Nifty is trading above the 78.6% of Fibonacci retracement. This 78.6% of Fibonacci retracement is the golden ratio. Was so as far as the Fibonacci retracement is concerned, as it is already trading above the golden ratio, so there is a possibility to go towards the upside, right? So what is the first resistance? What will be the first resistance if it moves towards the upside? The first immediate resistance, it should be 18,300. Once it crosses, the next probable resistance would be 18,450. And what is the support zone? Support zone is that 78.6% of Fibonacci retracement zone, that is 18,150. This is as far as the Nifty is concerned for Monday, right? So to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this channel is purely for educational purpose. This channel doesn't suggest for any kind of stock tips or any stock advisory services, and this channel also not responsible for any kinds of stock buying and trading. If anybody would like to do any kinds of trading, please do consult with your own respective investment advisor first. After that, you can start your trading. And if you would like to if you would like to open, or if you would like to work with me, so what you can do it for that, and you have to open an account with the ICICI Securities, because I am a referral partner of ICICI Security. In the description box, I have already given the link of the for opening of the Demat trading account with ICICI Securities. What you have to do, that only you have to click that link, and it will take hardly 10 or 15 minutes to get your account activated. During the activation time, a large page will appear with a sign up thumbs up. What you have to do it, just you have to take the screenshot of particular that page, and you have to send this page to my WhatsApp number along with a copy of your PAN card, so that I can track your account. And apart from it also, I am having on my Telegram channel. In description box also I have given the link of my Telegram channel. This Telegram channel is also purely for educational purpose. So if you would like to join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channels. By the way, just I've also today also I have posted about the global market, about what would be the resistance support level of Nasdaq, and what would be the resistance support level of that Dow Jones, that I have already been explained properly. And if you subscribe my Telegram channel, where you can see that the link has already been given to the description box, right? So apart from it, I would request everyone, please do subscribe my channel, and also subscribe and also share this channel to your near and dear ones. And I would request you to please, if you have any kinds of comments, you can also make your comments. And you know that the more you subscribe my channel, so what will happen, I'll be encouraged a lot, because there are a lot more responses will definitely encourage me to bring a lot more videos in near future. And by saying this, I am going to sign off today's program, and have a great day, and thank you very much.